Our solar system is a busy place. It's full of planets, moons, and other objects. But the most important thing is the sun.
The sun is a star, a giant ball of hot gas. I'm in the center of our solar system. Everything else goes around me.
The sun is huge compared to everything else. It's like a basketball next to a grain of sand. The sun's gravity is what holds the solar system together. It keeps everything in its place.
I give you light and heat. I make life on Earth possible. Without me, your planet would be a cold, dark place.
The sun is incredibly powerful. It constantly releases energy into space. We see this energy as sunlight. Orbiting the sun are the planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. We can put them in 2 groups, inner planets and outer planets.
The inner planets are small and rocky. Mercury is the smallest planet and closest to the sun. Venus is very hot because of its thick atmosphere. I am Earth, your home, the only planet with life we know of. Mars is the red planet, known for its rusty dust.
The outer planets are much larger and made mostly of gas.
I am Jupiter, the biggest planet, a giant with a swirling red spot. Saturn has beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Uranus is tilted on its side, spinning like a rolling ball. Neptune is a blue planet, far away and very cold.
Beyond the 8 planets, we find dwarf planets. These are round objects like planets, but they share their space with other objects in their orbit.
I am Pluto, the most famous dwarf planet. I'm small and icy, even colder than Neptune. Scientists used to think I was a planet, but they found other objects like me in the same region of space. So they created a new group dwarf planets.
Pluto is in a region called the Kuiper Belt. This region is far from the sun, beyond Neptune. It is full of icy objects and dwarf planets. There are other dwarf planets too, like Eris and Makemake. They are also small and icy, found in the outer regions of our solar system. Section 4. Cosmic leftovers, asteroids and comets. Besides planets and dwarf planets, our solar system has smaller objects. Asteroids are chunks of rock and metal. They are like giant space rocks. Most asteroids are in a belt between Mars and Jupiter. This is called the asteroid belt. Sometimes asteroids get knocked out of the belt and travel closer to Earth.
Comets are like dirty snowballs. They are made of ice, dust, and rock. Comets orbit the sun in long elliptical paths. When a comet gets close to the sun, its ice starts to melt. This creates a beautiful tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. We can sometimes see comets from Earth as they make their journey around the sun.
Section 5. Distant domains, the Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud. The Kuiper Belt is a region beyond Neptune. It's like a donut of icy objects, including dwarf planets. Pluto lives here. Scientists think the Kuiper Belt is full of leftovers from the early solar system. Even farther out, there's a giant sphere called the Oort cloud. We haven't seen it directly, but we think it's there because of the comets that come from that direction. The Oort cloud is like a giant shell around our solar system. It's filled with trillions of icy objects. Sometimes something disturbs these objects and sends them towards the sun as comets. The Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud are like time capsules. They hold clues about the early days of our solar system. Section 6. A celestial ballet, orbits and rotations. Everything in our solar system is in constant motion. The planets orbit the sun in paths shaped like ovals called ellipses. The closer a planet is to the sun, the faster it orbits. Planets also spin on their axis. This is called rotation. Earth's rotation is what causes day and night. Some planets rotate quickly, others slowly. Moons orbit planets, just like planets orbit the sun. Some planets have many moons, while others have none. The solar system is a complex and beautiful dance of gravity and motion. Everything is interconnected. The sun's gravity holds it all together, creating a delicate balance that has existed for billions of years.